hello and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey with Meat and Potatoes Organizing here in Minnesota. So today I want to talk to you about a little favorite thing of mine in the organizing world. I do this every day, and my organizers and my team, we do this every day, and I'm wondering if you can guess what it is. If you guessed labeling, that is correct. I would beg that this might be the most important part of our job. If we or you are going to take the time to pull all of your items out, sort them, categorize them, go through the full declutter process, and put them away, it is critical to label the things that you're keeping so that everything has a designated home. That being said, doesn't need to stay in there at all times. You can live in your house, you can use your things, certainly. But in the event we want to find things or we need to put them away, labels are critical. There's a few ways you can find labels. One, you can make your own. We like to use the Brother P-Cube Touch. It's on Amazon. I think it's $99. It Bluetooth syncs up to your phone. You can custom make any labels you want. It is amazing and convenient. We use this labeler every day. There's also something called the Cricut, which is a machine where you can custom make any kind of font. It's a little bit more intense and it requires application, which can sometimes be a little finicky. But if you like crafting, that can be a really fun outlet and you can be very creative and use your labels that way. The third thing I would recommend, if you just want efficiency and you don't want to deal with a labeler, you can actually just purchase labels either at the Container Store, at Target, even online on Amazon, pre-made pantry labels, pre-made bathroom labels, or even clothing wardrobe labels, and just put those on the bin. Those work great. So my tips today, we're gonna label. Get yourself some bin clips so that you can label your bins, and so everything has a home. It's really, really, really critical. So if you've got an area that's been bugging you and hasn't been labeled yet, here's your sign. Go get those labels and get that done. I will see you next week with more Just the Tip.